Hey, 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 welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Can you believe it? Christmas is right around the corner. Today's video is a Christmas clean with me. Where I live in Indiana, we do daylight savings time. So all of my videos are going to probably be after dark. By the time I get off work, it's already starting to get dark. I absolutely hate it. So in all seriousness, this video is offering tons of after dark cleaning motivation while I get my house ready for Christmas.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
All right, guys, we are moving right along into the master bath and getting it freshened up and cleaned so that it is ready for the holiday next week. Let me know in the comments below, are you guys ready? So a status update you're going to see a little bit later. My tree is up in the tree stand. And I've got this little cat that likes the tree a lot. So we didn't decorate. We just put on a topper and a skirt. But she's getting better. But I'm afraid to put shiny stuff on it because that'll intrigue her all over again. So we did at least get the Christmas tree up. So I feel like that's a win.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not always welcome to. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not.
All right, guys, today's video is a Christmas Clean With Me collaboration. This collab is hosted by my good friend Charmaine from Charmaine Rosalie. You need to check out her channel if you're not already subscribed. She does lots of cleaning motivation, decluttering, organizing, general mom life content. She's done decorating. She has a little bit of everything, grocery hauls, some cooking as well. So if you're looking for an all-around good mom life channel for motivating you to do the things that you need to do each day, be sure to check out Charmaine. In addition, there is a playlist of YouTube creators who have put together Christmas Clean With Me motivation for you. You guys start the playlist and start cleaning, and we will help you get all of your cleaning done to get your house ready for Christmas. Charmaine's channel and the playlist will be listed in the description box. Make sure that you check both of those out for lots of cleaning motivation.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound.
shining today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
Hey guys, now that I have my kitchen all cleaned up, finally, wanted to show you guys something. I have a friend who is making different kind of home designs and crafts and things like that. So I wanted to show you something. I bought this, it's like a plastic bag holder, like from the grocery store, like those kind of bags. I bought this at a craft fair and it was like $8, and give you an idea of how big it is. It holds a decent amount of bags. My friend made me one of these as a surprise, and I want to show you how much bigger they are. I can't even get it. Let me back up. There we go. Look how much bigger they are compared to the one that she made. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're in the need of a bag for like your disposable bags or any kind of home design type things, she enjoys sewing and she's very reasonable. So for these extra large bags, it'll obviously depend on fabric and shipping and exactly what you want, but the price is very comparable to what I paid for this smaller bag with no shipping. So there would be the additional charge of shipping. So I would let you guys work it out with her, like how much that she charges, and you would just need to let her know exactly what you want. I will have her email address in my description box below. No pressure. I just wanted to share how cute these bag holders were. And then whenever I got to comparing them to the old one that I had, I was like, I need to tell people how much of a good deal this is because this one's so big. So if you're interested, make sure that you email her. Again, her information is going to be down in the description box.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know.
All right, guys, this is the last room in my house today that we are going to freshen up and get ready for Christmas. So just wanted to tell you, thank you so much for following along in this video. Thank you for being here on my channel. We're at 295 subscribers at the time that this video was edited. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you. I would not be able to grow my channel the way that I am if it wasn't for all of your wonderful support. I hope this video gave you lots of after dark cleaning motivation. It got you inspired to get your house cleaned up for Christmas because you guys inspire me every day. Don't forget, today's video is a collaboration. And if you would be sure to check out Charmaine's channel as well as the playlist, there is tons of cleaning motivation for you. And most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys on Sunday.